Man, yo, I don't know what people are saying about BC Coilovers, but hey, this feel good. This feel good. Anyways, what's up, everybody? I'm back. We're on the road. We're on the same road. So you know exactly what we are up to and where we're going. We're on the way back to Bowlers. So yeah, the BC Coilovers were installed the other day. I've driven the car maybe like 3 times since they were installed, and boy, may I tell you, what a difference. Like, you still feel bumps, you know, but trust me, it's like a one bounce and that's it. And I mean, how can I be mad at that? Also, how we feel about the Jetours, since there's one in front of us. There's a T2 right here. Personally, I love how the T2s look, but it's a Chinese vehicle, bro, and it's a... So I don't know if everybody know this, but the Jetour is basically Cherry, as in Cherry QQ, rebranded with new vehicles. And I mean, I don't hate that. Rebrand all you want, right? But like, it's a Chinese vehicle, and oh, what the reputations, you know? I don't know. Leave some comments. Would love to hear your thoughts. I'm actually, like, every now and then I think about replacing my daily driver, which is a Toyota SUV, with something a little more nice. But I don't know if it's gonna be a Jetour, man. I don't know. But yeah, back to the coilovers. Like, you know, I have this theory in my mind. If a set of coilovers are bad, like how can a set of coilovers be bad if you have adjustments for everything? So on the BCs you have adjustment for preload, for ride height, for camber, and dampening. Yeah. So if you have all of those adjustments, right, how can it be bad? And then if your problem is spring rates, then you buy different springs, you know. So I can see the perspective of buying KWs or Bilsteins and just throw them on and not think about it, because they were tuned specifically for BMWs or for European cars, right? However, what's the sense of buying a car with so many adjustments if you're not going to adjust them? You understand? So I get the fact that, like, the BCs will take a little bit more work to dial them in perfectly, but if you can dial them in and you're spending half the money, it's a big deal, you know. And this is not to say don't buy your expensive coilovers. I mean, if you have the money and you want to, you should. But I don't know. I don't see why people are ragging on them. That's what I don't get. Like, why are people saying BCs are trash when you could very well see enough crime, when you could very well just adjust them to be what you want them to be and problem solved, you know? But yeah, that's my random rant about coilovers that nobody asked for. To switch gears because there's a big bump somewhere here. Yeah. Yeah, the BCs, they feel good. Not gonna lie, like that was a pretty big bump. It just took it. Should I go this way? Should I go that way? I go this way. My turn now. Good luck, everybody. Well, I feel good. I guess maybe at some point in the future I can make some changes. I don't think I like the dampening where it is right now. It's not too firm, not too soft. I'm good with it. I know when I change wheels, maybe I need to change the ride height. Maybe. And potentially, I don't know. I don't feel like I need to make any changes. Bowlers did a really good job setting it up. I don't know how much time they put into it, but it feels good to me. It feels really good to me. It's not a Rolls Royce, obviously. If I wanted Rolls Royce, I would have bought the 740D that Vault Motors has selling. That's what I would have bought instead, not an M4. So yeah, I feel good with what I have.